Hey there, welcome. In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect your contacts from HubSpot CRM to TextPeak. You will learn how to prepare contact lists in HubSpot, import a list to TextPeak, and download or remove it later. To be able to send message campaigns to your HubSpot CRM customers, you can import contacts to TextPeak using a list. Now you will see how to create it in HubSpot first. Navigate to Contacts, select Lists, and click Create List in the top right. Make sure that the contact-based option is selected. Enter the list name and click Next. In Filters, define which contacts you wish to export, for example, new leads. The system will provide an immediate preview of available contacts. Review them and click Save. Give the system some time to generate a list for you. We can see our list on the Lists page under Contacts. Now, we will show you how to integrate it with the TextPeak platform. For such integration, we need to have a connection ready. You can learn how to install the CommPeak app by the link. If you've already established the connection, go to Contacts and select Contact Lists in your CommPeak SMS account. Click Add List and then Integration in the pop-up window. Fill in the name and description, and proceed to the next step. Select a connection that you created when installing the app and click Save and Next. Choose which contact data you would like to import from HubSpot. Start typing in the Contact Fields box to locate the needed field quickly. Select the contact list you previously created in HubSpot in Data Filters. After clicking Save and Preview, map details with contact fields in CommPeak as you wish. Finally, click Import Contacts, view the list summary, and continue. Your new list appears in the table. You can see that it is from HubSpot, its progress, and the number of contacts. Click the information icon in Actions to see if all contacts are parsed successfully. Some may fail because their phone number is not mobile. You can check the parse status on the Individual Contacts tab. Also, you can later remove or download your list in Actions. If your list is ready, go ahead and send your SMS campaign now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.